Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you another method which you can use to make money to yourself. So this one I'm going to be very quick about this video because I don't actually want this video to get long. So before I jump into the video, I am Crypto 001. What I do in this channel is that I promote updates such as crypto arbitrage, such as crypto arbitrage of exchanges arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, P2P trading and spot trading, and any crypto related terms. So what I want to do now is to show you how you can buy and sell, how you can buy cheap and sell on P2P marketplace and make your cool profit. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the video of the day. First of all, what you need to do is to click on this yellow icon, see deposit. First of all, a screen will pop up which you can see P2P trading, deposit NGN, buy with NGN, and deposit crypto. So what you need to do is to click on deposit NGN. Once you click on deposit NGN, it will take you to another interface where you are going to complete your transaction. And on this interface, what you need to do is to click on continue. Once you click on continue, let's start this with 50,000 naira so that it will be beneficial to everybody, because it's not everybody that have numerous capital to start up this arbitrage. But if you have enough capital to start this arbitrage, you can actually start, because the higher your capital, the higher your profit. So but for this tutorial, for the sake of the tutorial, I want to use 50,000 naira. So with our 50,000 naira, we are going to pay a merchant fee of 250 naira, and we will receive 49,750 NGN in our wallet. You know, the problem with this arbitrage here is that sometimes there is no available merchants, but what you need to do, you need to come in often and often to check if there is a matching offer, because sometimes you might be lucky. If you go through my video, there's a video I made. I just start inserting the amount, I just click on continue, and there was a matching offer which was very luck. I was very lucky. So if you actually want to be making money, you need to be consistent. So what we want to do now is to let's go to our P2P and sell this and see if we are going to make profit. Okay guys, once you are on this interface, what you need to do is to insert the amount of money you have. So we started this trade with 50,000 naira, and we will be left with 49,750 naira thereby. If Yeah, I think so. 49,750 naira once they remove their merchant fee of 250 naira. So let's say 49,750 naira. You will have 27.2 USDT. So let's move to our P2P and see if we are actually going to make profit with this strategy. Now we are on P2P. So let's just click on sell and just click on here to toggle off this so that we can find all the merchants. So what you need to do, you need to click on an amount and search 50,000. Just insert 50,000 so that you can see the list of people who are buying from 50,000 upward. So this guy is actually buying from 4,000 to 97,000. So we now go for this guy. Now click on this guy. We have 27.2 US. Okay, with our 50,000 naira, we have been able to make 320 naira as a profit. So this is actually profitable. So you can actually implement this like 3 times, 2 times, and 5 times. So let me go to my calculator and show you something really quick. 50,320 naira minus 50,000 naira, you will make a profit of 320 naira on each trade. Imagine you go this like 320 times, let me say 10 times, you make 3,200. Then 3,200 times 30 days, you make 96,000 naira. Guys, this is actually profitable. What you need to do is just to enter into the market and find a merchant, or just enter into the market often and check. You might be lucky to have a merchant, so you might be lucky to see a matching offer which you can actually buy from the person and make cool cash. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button, because you'll be receiving alerts on any time I post a video. Thank you.